Have you ever walked into a city, a place you've only dreamed of and felt like you've stepped Czech cuisine? I want you to see Prague not just as a tourist passing through, but as a true traveler, immersing yourself in the local culture, soaking in every sight, every sound, and every delicious flavor that this incredible city has to offer. So let's begin our unforgettable Prague adventure. Our journey starts now, in a city brimming with history and charm. We begin in Old Town Square, the vibrant heart of Prague, where centuries of stories converge. Arrive early, before the city fully awakens, to watch the astronomical clock's quirky show, a medieval marvel that still captivates. Experience this spectacle without the usual throng of crowds, a truly magical moment. Then, as the sun begins to paint the sky, stroll across Charles Bridge at sunrise, a photographer's dream. Here you'll find 30 silent saints bathed in golden light and centuries of history beneath your feet, whispering tales of emperors and artists. Next, prepare for a bit of a climb to Prague Castle, a sprawling complex of majestic palaces, awe-inspiring churches, and meticulously manicured gardens. Buy your ticket online well in advance to skip the notoriously long lines, saving you precious time, and absolutely don't miss St. Vitus Cathedral's breathtaking and stunning stained glass. Wander leisurely through the courtyards and discover panoramic views of the iconic red rooftops and elegant spires that define the Prague skyline. Then, step into a fairy tale as you explore Golden Lane, a tiny, enchanting street of colorful houses, once home to castle guards protecting the kingdom, and mysterious alchemists, seeking the secrets of the universe. It was even home to the legendary Franz Kafka, a literary genius. For a peaceful and serene break from the bustling city, head to the tranquil Kampa Island, nestled by the gentle flow of the Vltava River, often lovingly called the Venice of Prague for its charming waterways. And definitely don't miss the iconic Lenin Wall, a vibrant and ever-evolving mural of messages of peace and love, a symbol of hope. Each step you take here connects you directly to Prague's rich and living history. This is so much more than just sightseeing. It's truly stepping directly into a captivating legend. Savor every moment of the unique atmosphere, and allow the city's timeless stories to gracefully unfold all around you. Are you ready for even more? Then let's keep exploring deeper into this magical city. We're just getting started. On to day 2. Day 2 begins, and we're diving deeper into the heart of Prague. Get ready for a blend of stunning vistas, historical explorations, and, of course, some delicious culinary adventures. Our first stop is atop Petrin Hill, a green oasis offering panoramic views of the city. To reach the summit, you can take the funicular, a charming ride that saves your legs for further exploration. Or, if you're feeling energetic, embark on a scenic hike through the lush gardens. Either way, you'll be rewarded with sweeping city views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Don't miss the chance to climb the Lookout Tower, a miniature Eiffel Tower offering even more breathtaking perspectives. Next, we descend into the Jewish Quarter, also known as Yosefov, a district steeped in history and culture. This area is one of Europe's best preserved Jewish meal, and some local flavor. Indulge in a comforting bowl of goulash, a rich and flavorful stew, or try svikova, a creamy vegetable sauce served with dumplings and beef. And of course, don't forget to try a local beer. It's practically a requirement. Prague's breweries are legendary, producing some of the world's finest brews. As evening falls, Prague transforms into a city of lights and shadows. Consider taking a relaxing river cruise along the Vltava. This offers magical views of Prague Castle, illuminated against the night sky, and the iconic Charles Bridge, a pedestrian masterpiece. Both are beautifully lit up at night, creating a truly unforgettable spectacle. Or raise a glass and toast your adventure at one of Prague's many vibrant bars. For a truly special experience, head to a rooftop bar like Teresa U Prince. Here you can enjoy a cocktail while watching the sunset. Watch the sun dip below the horizon over the magnificent city skyline. Every moment here in this captivating city is precious. It's a feast for the senses, a symphony of sights, sounds, and flavors. This is Prague, a city that will capture your heart. Prague is at its most enchanting, beckoning you to explore its hidden corners and embrace its unique charm. Let's make the most of it and create memories that will last a lifetime. Just a visitor. Your adventure is what you make it. As our whirlwind tour ends, remember, Prague is more than a destination, it's an experience that lingers. From sunrise on Charles Bridge to the flavors of Czech cuisine, every moment here is a memory in the making. We've explored castles, wandered hidden alleys, and tasted the city's spirit. Prague invites you to get lost, to discover and to make your own story. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, or dreamer, you'll find your rhythm here. Let the city surprise you. Venture beyond the guidebook. The next chapter is yours to write. Happy travels.